State Secretary, you gave a speech here at the summit. What was your key message?
So my key message to GESDA is that it's an exciting, innovative initiative, that it's exactly at the right place in Geneva, because Geneva is very well positioned concerning international diplomacy, and it's a hotspot for science and research activities here at the Lac Léman, and that's perfect. And I think there are a lot of important questions to address for the future. And the radar GESDA developed will help to ask the right questions, and not to discuss them only in the scientific community, but to discuss them together with diplomats, politics, society, concerning the need for global governance and this on a multilateral level.
How important do you think GESDA will be to reinforce multilateralism, which has taken a few blows over the past few years? What can GESDA do to reinforce multilateralism?
I think to bring the right topics on the table for discussion is a very important point. And with the radar, the first step is done. But of course, now all the different actors have to be motivated really to contribute to this discussion. So what I mentioned before, science is driven by curiosity. So science and all the other actors have to have interest in this discussion, and they have to see that it has an impact, that the time they invest for GESDA really will influence the development of politics as well. And so it's hard to say right now what the impact will be, but there is a good chance really to develop this impact.
And how aligned are the objectives of GESDA with your objective in science research and innovation?
I think, and this is what I mentioned this morning, there's a good alignment. So in Switzerland, an important point for our national and international policy in education, research and innovation is that we enable. We cooperate with the cantons, we enable, we have a quite good financing for the system. It's 10% of the federal budget, but it's not just financing the system, it's financing based on competition, based on criteria of excellence. This is one important point, and yes, the other important point is that really the area actors can have framework conditions they can use for their own development, but not only their own development, for the development of the whole system.
How unique or pioneering would you say this initiative is?
To my knowledge, it's very innovative, and this makes it interesting, but this makes it also demanding, because if something is new, you do not know really exactly what to do. There is no ready plan which helps you to know exactly what the next step should be, but I think it has a lot of potential.